So here's the scoop. This is going to be the second one of these that I fixed today. These are super duper common. The problem is that it's made out of press board, and basically it just starts falling apart because a lot of pressure gets on there. So my quick easy fix, rather than buying a whole new door, is you take out this piece of press board and you just make it in solid wood, match it up, and we're going to basically clean all that out of there, make it as smooth as possible, and then we're going to glue it in, clamp it, let it dry, and it should be good to go. It's 10 times stronger than the original product. So here we go. So we cleaned it up, propped it up. Now I'm basically just going to sop a whole bunch of wood glue in here and fit this piece in. It fits very, very nicely. We tested it out. The door's a little banged up, but we don't want to buy a new door, so this will do the trick. We'll just glue that guy into place, and then we don't have to buy a new door. Don't be shy with that glue. Some on the top here too. All right. And that's about it. We'll come back and put it all together once it's dried up.
Perfect.
Welcome back. We're here and everything seems to be pretty dried up. We're going to release our clamp. Looks good. Definitely be sure not to get any glue in that area so it still turns and it can be adjusted, but that is just way more solid than it was before.